Activity 14 වල ඔබට ලබා දීලා තිබෙන වචන ආශ්‍රය කරගනිමින් දැන් ඔබට පුළුවන් past continuous කියන වාක්‍ය රටාව යටතේ passive voice වාක්‍ය නිර්මාණය කරගන්න. First one, discussions hold. දැන් මෙතනදී අපි කියන්න අවශ්‍ය සාකච්ඡා පවත්වනු ලැබමින් තිබුණා. Discussions were being held. Discussions were being held. Next one, competition organized. තරඟය සංවිධානය කරනු ලැබමින් තිබුණා. Competition was being organized. Competition was being organized. Next one, a constitution introduced. ආණ්ඩුක්‍රම ව්‍යවස්ථාවක් හඳුන්වා දෙනු ලැබමින් තිබුණා. A constitution was being introduced. Next one, victory celebrate. අපි මෙතන කියන්න අවශ්‍ය ජයග්‍රහණය සමරනු ලැබමින් තිබුණා. නැත්නම් ජයග්‍රහණය සමරනු ලැබමින් හිටියා. Victory was being celebrated by cricket fans. cricket ලෝලීන් ජයග්‍රහණය සමරමින් හිටියා. Next one, salary give. වැටුප දෙමින් තිබුණා. Salary was being given. Salary was being given. Next one, marks give. ලකුණු දෙමින් තිබුණා. Marks were being given. Next one, newspapers publish. පුවත්පත් පළ කරනු ලැබමින් තිබුණා. Newspapers were being published. Newspapers were being published. Next one, vehicles manufacture. වාහන නිෂ්පාදනය කරමින් තිබුණා. Vehicles were being manufactured. Next one, university students attack. අපි කියනවා විශ්වවිද්‍යාල ශිෂ්‍යයන්ට පහර දෙනු ලැබමින් හිටියා. University students were being attacked. එතකොට පහර දෙන පිරිස පිළිබඳව අපි සඳහන් කරන්නේ වාක්‍ය අගින්. පහර කැමට ලක්වන පිරිස පිළිබඳව ඔබ්ජෙක්ට් එක සඳහන් කරන්නේ වාක්‍යයේ මුලින්. Next one, classes conduct. පන්ති පවත්වනු ලැබමින් තිබුණා. Classes were being conducted. Classes were being conducted. Past continuous ක්‍රමයට passive voice වාක්‍ය භාවිතා කරන ආකාරය පිළිබඳව ඔබට දීලා තිබෙන practice වාක්‍ය ටික ඔබට පුළුවන් දැන් පුහුණු වෙන්නට. ඒ වගේම activity 15 වල ඔබට දීලා තිබෙන ගද්‍ය කොටස තුල මේ passive voice වල past continuous වාක්‍ය කොටස් අන්තර්ගත වෙනවා. එහෙමනම් ඒ passive voice වල past continuous tense කියන මේ ව්‍යාකරණ කොටස ප්‍රායෝගිකව භාවිතා වෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක පිළිබඳව දැන් ඔබට අවධානය යොමු කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Passive voice practice sentences. Listen to these sentences carefully and try to understand the meaning. Funds were being raised to help the displaced people due to floods. More than 30 students were being taken into custody to question regarding the protest campaign. In 1982, in the regime of Mr. J.R. Jayawardena, the life of the parliament was being extended for 6 years by holding the referendum. Television was being introduced to Sri Lanka in 1979 and quickly it became a powerful mode of mass communication. The executive post was being offered to him after becoming fluent in English. Activity 15. Grammar in action. Find past continuous passive verbs in the following text. Listen to this text carefully.
A long-standing racket of illegal export of white sandalwood was being busted by airport customs officials on Monday night. A package containing 164 kilos of white sandalwood was detected by the officials. The package was in the baggage of a Sri Lankan businessman's route to Hong Kong. The passenger was being arrested and the consignment was being confiscated. Around 20 illegal exports of sandalwood were being detected by customs officials during the past 3 to 4 years. The detection was being made by assistant charges officers. The investigations were being conducted by Deputy Director, Customs.